guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Lincoln MKX guys, and we'll show you guys how to remove or how to replace your front bumper guys. Bumper cover. We'll guys have more than 200 videos on this car and any vehicle we get at the shop, because our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. All we guys need in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video and drop a comment below. Let us know if it was helpful or not and if you have any recommendations. So this is guys the Lincoln MKX, this one specifically it's a 2009, but it should be guys the same procedure for the whole generation, first generation of MKX. The front bumper, okay, ours is damaged on this side, that's why we will be removing it, but we'll be able to show you guys what needs to be done. So let's start on it now. So we'll go ahead, open the hood, this one will be guys the first step, and we'll explain what needs to be done. Now, in order guys, okay, to remove the bumper now, what we need to do, okay, we'll need to work on the left side of the vehicle and the right side. What we do to the left side is identical to the right. So, just to make it a little bit better for you guys and not so long videos, what we'll be doing here, we'll need to do on the other side. On top right here, we'll need to remove some clips as well, and you're going to see in just a minute, okay, what I'm talking about. So, now we need a 10mm socket. We're going to remove a couple bolts. Okay, here guys we have a few clips. Okay, you can see like this one here. You need to unscrew the center piece up, pull that one up. Okay, and the whole clip guys comes out. Same thing on this side, one is missing. Okay, one is missing. Somebody didn't install it in the past, and we have one more here. Okay, perfect. We're done here now. So we get guys a socket, ours is 732s, the standard size. We have to remove a few bolts, okay, here for the fender liner that attach to the bumper. One of our clips is broken, you can see. Okay, perfect. Now one more here. Okay, perfect. So 3 of those are ready now guys. Okay, let's see what else okay we need to do, because we need to go underneath now and remove a few as well. So here guys, the last screw actually is the one that holds the bumper towards the bumper mount. We'll go ahead and do the same thing on the other side before we go under the vehicle. Okay, so okay, you can see we need to remove that bolt there. Okay, you can see working on the second one now, and this is the third one now. This last one is very important because that's the one that holds the bumper to the mount as well. This car was in a very minor accident, you can see they just barely hit the bumper and cracked it. Nothing major, it's clean title vehicle, but it did suffer some minor damage to the bumper cover, the grille and the edge of the headlight here. So we're going under the vehicle now guys. Okay, and here okay, we have a few screws that we need to remove. Ours is broken here on the bottom, you can see. Okay, one more screw there with that same socket. Perfect. This one is supposed to hold, but ours is broken. 3 clips now that we need to remove. Okay, those sometimes, guys, will be full of dust and they will come out really hard. Okay, removing the second one. And that third one there. Okay, perfect. Now we have 2 more screws that we removed here on the other fender liner there. So I'll just try to get the view from here. Okay, perfect. Now let's see, guys, what else is holding now. Okay, so let's start on this side. Okay, we'll need to grab it. There is a few clips. Okay, pull it out of the clips. Okay, we need to disconnect our wires, guys. Okay, for the side markers. Press down and pull it out. Okay, or you can just turn it with the whole bulb. Just turn counterclockwise, the whole bulb will come out. Later you can disconnect them. We have the fog lights here. Disconnect this one as well. You just spread those things out. Now I'll hold the bumper on this side. Okay, and we need to do exactly, guys, the same thing on the other. Okay, so we're doing the same thing to the other side now, guys. We need to disconnect, okay, the fog light and the side marker light as well. Okay, guys, and the whole assembly, okay, came out just like that, you can see. So that's how you guys remove the bumper cover. You can see just like that. Putting it together, it's in reverse order. We took it apart. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to some of you trying to figure it out. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.